Today we're going to talk about Google Keep Notes. It's called Google Keep, but as you can see, Google Keep Notes over here. If you go to keep.google.com and you're logged in on your Gmail, it will give you this menu. If you're in your Gmail account with your emails, if you go down the right hand side, there's this little orange logo, which is it here. One of the things I do want to stress here, if I do an update here, let's just change it to green. If we go back to the Gmail, it automatically updates it as well. So if you've written your notes already, you may just want them on the side of your screen where it can update. But we're going to use the main browser today to go over these features. So the first one we got here is Remind Me. So for example, say I was looking at pizza flavors and it's something for this evening. So I could actually just change it to 8 o'clock tonight, or maybe I want to have a look at 6 o'clock tonight. Don't want it to repeat every day. I just want it for this evening. Press save and it will remind me at 6 o'clock this evening. In the same way, you can have collaborators. Now, the reason this could be, for example, you could have somebody looking at recipes of a specific type. So you may actually want them to actually look for this. So you could actually set them up as a collaborator and they will look at this for you. In the same way, if we go down here, you can actually replicate this. So make a copy. As you can see, this one's all the way down here. The reason being is if it's pinned, it goes to the top, and unpinned, it goes to the bottom. So we've got to pin that. So now it's at the top, and this one may be for a different collaborator, and I may want to change the color of that. So say somebody's looking at different types of margarita pizza in varying global recipes of some types, and then somebody else could be looking at similar things but with a different pizza type. You could send the collaboration to them and they can edit and update these for you. So you get your information updated onto these notes, which is very, very useful because if you have virtual assistants, it's something practical and useful for that. You can add images as well, because obviously not everything is about text. You just click on that, find the file, and you can add it to that very easily. Archive them when you finish with them, so it'll put it, so you've got a copy of the notes. And then we go here, you can delete the note, add labels to them, make a copy, hide tick boxes, copy to Google Docs. So why would you add a label? So for example, say I have lots of notes, and these notes in particular are for somebody called Nicole. Now this will now add a label at the bottom. So as you can see here on the left hand side, these notes, labels now identify everything that Nicole has an association with. In the same way you put Nicole there, it will, on the top search bar, it will actually add it in reminders, lists, URLs, and labels. It becomes very, very useful for finding things you've done previously or currently working on if you have a lot of notes in here. The other thing is you can actually create lists as well. So let's create a new note. So we go up here. We're going to call it shopping list. Take a note, and we want to make it so that we can actually add a list version. Add label, make copy, show tick boxes. So we're going to go vegetables, pizza, curry, just a few things, and as you can see, they now have tick box features on there. As you see, I just clicked on it, so it's now highlighted. We got the vegetables. Do the same with pizza. It now says we've got the pizza. And as I said, you can use this for collaborators as well. So you can actually have a list of tasks for them to complete for the day, and as they complete it, they can update it so that you're aware that they finished it. Very useful, very simple piece of software. And as I say, like when you finish with something and you want it off your screen, but you want to keep a copy, just click archive and it's gone away. And if you want to undo that, you can do that. The same as if you delete it, so delete note, you can still undo it as well. Because it's very easy, very simple, very useful. Thanks for watching.